Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this wig from Asteria hair. The wig is the HD undetectable lace skin melt transparent 13 by 4 wig. It's in 200% density and it is 24 inches. Can you see how thick this hair looks? The lace came bleached and plucked already, so as a beginner you do not even need to do any work on this hair. All I did was wash it with a shampoo and conditioner, and that was it. So now I'm going to place the wig on my head just to see what it looks like and know what my plan is for the wig. I'm just brushing the hair to see what it looks like, just to keep it straight. I sort of blow dried it after washing it, so this is the blow dried hair. I'm just trying to look at the lace to see how well it matches with my skin, guys. It matched perfectly with my skin. So the lace came with 2 combs by the sides and 1 at the back, and it also came with this headband. This band is one of the strongest bands I've received from any wig company. So I'm going to now tap my lace with my contour powder, because I'm one of those people who like my lace to be a bit darker, just so it matches with my skin tone, because whenever I just leave the lace like that, it just looks really light, and I'm not really a huge fan. I love for my lace to blend with my skin tone seamlessly. So I'm just making a middle part just to see what it looks like, and as you can see, it's not too bright that it doesn't look like my skin tone, and it's not too dark to not show, if you get what I mean. So I'm just going to do that, and now I'm going to start cutting the ear part out. This part really surprised me that I was able to achieve this so easily and so quickly. It just shows you how easy it is to work with this hair. I am now going to take my scissors and start cutting behind my ears. Please be careful and do not cut your ears, okay? But I am someone who is still, or who would classify themselves as a beginner when it comes to laying wig, and I would tell you this was such an easy cut. Like, I was so impressed with myself after cutting it, and it was shocking. Like, it just fits so perfectly behind my ears, and the rest of the hair was just there. I was so impressed. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, making sure I'm a bit more careful, because this is the left side and you have to be very careful to not cut your ears, okay? When I'm done with that, I'm going to now lay the wig on my head. I'm going to use a melting spray, not a wig glue, just a melting spray, because that's what I always do whenever I apply lace front wigs on my hair.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew, then you
I'm going to go in with the scissors and start cutting out the extra lace from the wig. I always use a scissors, and I just go in upward downward motion, or you can also use a blade. However, you have to be very careful with the lace. I found that using a blade does not really work well for me. And then I'm going to go in with an elastic band. Guys, if you want your wig to lay like seamlessly on your hair, just use an elastic band and keep it in for about 5 minutes. Make sure it's firmly tight on your head, not to lose blood circulation, but just make it tight as possible where you can still function, you know. While that is sitting, I'm going to go and start straightening the hair. So I'm going to put my straightener on high heat, medium to high heat, and I'm just going in with 2 passes. Since this hair is already really soft and easy to straighten, it was not so difficult straightening it, and when it came it was so silky and straight, which I really loved. So I'm just going to do that all over my hair, and honestly 2 passes really work for this hair, but you can go as many as you want to make it as straight as you want. No one knows my places like you do. I'm going to use a wax stick and also use my hot comb. This is very necessary when you want to start laying your frontals. If you want to start laying your frontals, if you want to lay your wigs properly, get a hot comb, because it's just going to make everything really smooth and lay really well on your head. Trust me, I never used to have a hot comb before, but when I got it, my wig game, it changed completely. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take out the band and I'll show you guys the results.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body.
This is what the wig looks like. Can you see how melted the lace looks? It just looks so natural. However, I'm going to do something to make it look more natural. So I'm going to show you guys a trick on how to remove this glue there. So what I do is I take a cotton pad. I take this cotton pad and I spray some water on it. And I just go in and tap the area I want to take off the glue from. So that sort of helps just, you know, release the hair on that place. So I'm going to take my contour powder or my contour cream, which is the same one I applied on the lace, and I'm going to sort of blend out the front area. I literally did not do so much. I basically applied my contour on the place where the lace stops and where my face is, just on the thin skin, and this is what it looks like.
So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me.
You guys saw I did not pluck this hair, I did not bleach this hair. The only thing I did was apply my contour powder to make it melt really beautifully with my own skin tone, and this is what the hair looks like. This is the density, this is how thick and full and silky and soft this hair is. When I washed it, I did not receive any shedding. The only shedding that came out was from the sides of the ear when I was cutting it, and you can see it has movement, it's long, it's beautiful, it's full. That's one of the things I actually noticed when I opened the hair. It was very full and thick and luscious, and I would say this hair is definitely a favorite straight wig. So if you guys see me wearing this wig all the time, just understand I really love it. As you can see, it's beautiful. I don't know what else to say about this wig, but it's definitely a favorite of mine right now. So let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you think about this wig. Would you get this? Would you wear this? I know I usually like to have curly hair, but I really wanted to try out this straight wig, and I would say it is a fave, definitely a fave right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful to someone who struggles with laying their wigs, and the tips I shared were helpful as well. Like, just look at this melt, it's sis. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched to this end, thank you, I really do appreciate you. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.